Are you ready?
This is one of the rooms here at the AC Marriott Salford Quays. Now this is the bathroom. We've got a nice sink here, we've got lots of glasses, above there's a bin, there's a shower cap. We also got products by Kors, which should be awesome. I've never had Kors products before. We've got the toilet, and we've got a massive bathtub with all the products there, again, Kors products. We've got a towel, a couple more towels there as well. There's loads of towels knocking about as well, so it's actually quite good. Then we come to this. Here we've got the bed, which I'll do the bed test in a minute. But it's ultra soft. We've got tea, coffee facilities. There's a safe, hairdryer, Book of Mormon, and the book of the Holy Bible in the drawer. Ooh, looks like we've got some slippers and bathrobes in here as well, hiding in the cupboards. We've got lots of storage spaces. We provide a laundry service. There's a ironing board. There's a remote for the telly. Speaking of the telly is there. And just before I show you the other bit, this is our view. Normally, when I booked this through Marriott Bonvoy, I did request a high floor lake view, but I didn't think they'd meet my request because obviously apparently they're really fully booked. But I'm actually happy with this because you can see the city just over there, so you can see the bits of the skyscrapers and all that, and the city centre of Manchester. So I am actually very impressed with that. But here's an overlook view room of the overview of the room. And then we've got a little fridge down here, so we've got some water, apparently got some beers, and apparently, because I'm a Marriott Bonvoy member, they've given me some drinks there as well. And apparently as well, Marriott Bonvoy members get 10% off food and drink in the hotel, which is quite useful, that. But I do love this bed, so let's go give it a bed test, shall we? I'm gonna put this here for a second, guys. Let's go and test out this Marriott Bonvoy AC Hotels bed, shall we? Oh, it's very comfy, very bouncy, very comfy, very springy, but it's very, very comfortable. Honestly, be a Marriott Bonvoy member, guys, because I highly, highly recommend it. So here you are. That is the room tour here at the Marriott Bonvoy Marriott AC Hotel Salford Quays.